Hi guys, welcome in the part 2 of how to create a pillow. So I found a way to make it more realistic by using the piping tool. So you can watch the first part and come back here. So we have this rectangle, and before you clone over you have to go to the piping tool and just go around, maybe here, go all the way, and now you can see that you have something on the edges. Just press simulate, and now you can select everything by pressing A and selecting, right click, clone over, and just go to particle distance, put it to 5, and shrinkage wrap you can put 105. You can press simulate, and now as you can see we have a way better quality, but still we can maybe change the fabric. So go here and maybe let's put woven cotton stretch poplin and simulate. Oh well, okay, very cool, right? Yeah, it's much better. So this is how you use the piping tool. Pretty easy. So yeah, see you guys next time.